How to make your Instagram account private. If you only want your followers seeing your Instagram activity, you can make your Instagram account private. To do this, first go to your profile page on the Instagram app and select the menu icon in the top right corner of the screen. From the options, select Settings. Under Settings, click the Privacy tab. This is where you can edit all of your privacy settings. Under Connections, you can select Account Privacy. And to make your account private, you just switch the private account toggle on. Your account is now private, and only those who follow you can see your posts and activity on Instagram. And that's how to make your Instagram account private. If this video helped you, let us know by liking it or commenting below. And don't forget to subscribe for more how-to instructional videos.